guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is showing you what I got in my advent calendar starting from the 1st of December leading up to Christmas Day. Now, I done this video last year. It was like a vlog kind of style and everyone loved it. I got loads of views from it and I thought, you know what, I will do it again this year, but this year I want to do it a little bit differently. So instead of making the video so long, I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm not going to film taking out the box of each day and then showing you the products. I'm just going to show you a little clip of the products and the actual day on the box as well. You guys have enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed any of your advent calendars. If you have, please let me know in the comment section below what advent calendars you received and what products you loved the most. I absolutely love all of my advent calendars, and you know what, I actually can't wait to start opening. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
So lend a helping hand, and if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard to understand. And that's how we know it's Christmas for every girl and boy. And you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas to you. It's Christmas for every girl and boy, and you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas to you.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night, I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, look where we were small. Someone's been here and there. The stock is for all. Christmas, 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 Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear the call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh bells call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far yet close? I think I hear the call. So baby, let it snow.
have thought that Christmas could bring tears to my eyes. Don't get me wrong, still enjoy full times. We're gonna sing this song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas, and there's our mistletoe. Among all the gifts and all the Christmas cards, I think of you, don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard to understand. And that's how we know it's Christmas for every girl and boy. And you can be sure it's tears.
So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I have loved every single product in my advent calendar, and do you know what? I cannot wait to use them all. I love all my advent calendars. I have so many. I have 5 advent calendars that you guys would have seen throughout this video. And yeah, if you want to see more of these kind of videos next year, then please let me know in the comment section below. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.